Tapos yung ano dyan ay, kasi, okay, ngayon, kasi medyo awkward yung kapag meron kang fractions, ang itest mo muna yung mga whole numbers. So, let it run from -3 to +3.
Yung g of x po, ano pong gagawin?
Hindi, wala. Kasi hindi mo naman kailangan eh. Kung may dalawang functions ka na gustong i-tabulate, sige. Pero we only need to tabulate 3x cubed plus x squared minus 15x plus 2. For the values -3 to 3. So, ang start natin, -3. Yung end natin, +3. Step 1. And see if we can find a 0.
Negative.
Yeah. Kaya ano yan eh. Kaya yung dapat na tinetest natin ay whole numbers muna. So, yung mga whole numbers would be -2 to +2. Tapos yung table gives us, nagsi-0 ba o hindi?
Nag-0 po sa 2.
Okay, so if the polynomial is 0 when x equals 2, anong isang factor ng polynomial na yan?
X minus 2. Magiging quadratic na siya.
Okay. Ngayon, pag alam mo na yung factor, long division gives us yung quadratic factor. And then, quadratic formula na.
Doon na walang minus.
So, 7x squared. Ayan. So, yun na. So, pag nakuha mo na yung factored form, yeah, quadratic formula na lang para ma-figure out yung 0 ng factor na yan. So, 2 decimal places lang. So, okay na yung, tingnan mo kung makukuha mo yung, yung same answers. Actually, yung sa 3x squared plus 7x minus 1, pwede ka na mag, anong tawag dito? Equation solver dyan eh. So, Teka, mali yata yung quadratic formula mo kasi dapat negative b plus or minus
I forgot. Because I was not using the quadratic formula in a very long time.
Yeah. So, so negative b plus or minus yun, b square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. 2a. Teka, bakit 4 times 3 times negative 1 yung denominator? So 2a is 2 times 3. 2 times 3. 7 4ac. Okay. Teka, check natin yung round off. Okay. Ayan. Ngayon, kaya natin binibigay yan kasi paano kung hindi na yung, sorry, before we move on, bakit ginagawa natin yan? Kasi paano kung yung binigay na equation ay quartic na?
Equation solver.
Tapos, ang, diba? Yung ini-expect kasi na method na papagamit sa inyo, ganyan pa rin eh. Na mag-rational roots, plug in. And then peel off until yung mga factors na pwede mo i-peel off until you can do something na likely quadratic.
Kung may irrational root, kung lahat pa irrational.
Kung lahat irrational, edi ano naman yan, hindi siya ibibigay sa inyo. Ang mangyayari niyan sasabihin talaga sa inyo na the roots are not expected to be.
Right. Is there an irrational some algorithm to find the irrational roots po?
Hindi, di ba sa ano? Hindi, wala talaga tayong algorithm for finding an irrational root. We have successive rational approximations.
Series.
Yung decimal form is di ba, if you use a finite decimal form, then that's a rational approximation.
Nga po. Kasi ano yung over 10.
Di ba? Okay, so yeah. Kasi ano yan eh, pag nag-solve ka ng differential equations, ang daming polynomials na pinapahanap yung zero. So yung technique na to is going to be useful even after your first 3 courses of calculus. Yung fourth kasi, so after yung first 3, may pang-apat yung differential equations. Gamit na gamit yan. Kaya importanteng alam mo yung method na yan. Okay, number 5.
Nakaano ko pala ba?
Yun, Sir, ano lang po namin para ma-record?
I forgot to record.
Actually, sabi ko nga kay Joshua, sir, di ba, sabi niya maganda nga talaga yung nakasulat and everything. Kaya namin nire-record, sabi ko sa kanya, this is for, not only for you, para mas magandang i-recall po, naka-video na eh, no? Tapos sabi ko, in the event, in the future, sabi ko, kunyari, may anak ka, mahilig pala sa math. Hindi mo na, di ba po, meron ng solution eh. Naka-video eh. Tapos sabi ko, it's also to grow the channel. Parang matututo rin yung ibang tao. In just one effort, ano na siya lahat. Marami siyang purposes na matatakel sa kanya. Don't forget to...
Actually, ano yan eh. Ang kailangan din kasi alam nung gagamit ng video paano gamitin yun eh. For example, I think marami nagfe-fail sa paggamit ng video for learning. Kasi hindi nila pinopause.
Yes, sir.
Dapat pag may question sa board, stop. Wag mo munang pakinggan yung solution. Tapos gawin mo muna. And then pag stuck ka na, actually ganun din sa kaya yung example sa book, useful na attempt mo muna without looking at the solution. And then pag stuck na, okay, tingnan na. Kasi mas nagsistick yun eh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tingnan natin yung partial fraction expansion. Relatively straightforward to eh. Kasi wala kang repeated roots dun sa A. Yung sa B, okay, may repeated roots. So, so 5 over so negative 6. Yung therefore ay isulat mo yung yung original expression equals yung partial fraction expansion mo kasi an expression on its own is not a sentence. Yung conclusion mo ay 8x minus 27 over x minus 3 times x minus 4 equal to yung expansion. Therefore, 3 over x minus 3 plus 5 over x minus 4. It should be, therefore, 8x minus 27 over x minus 3 times x minus 4 is expandable, is equal to this. Okay, so ganun din sa B. May ganung issue din. Pero yung mga sagot naman okay na.
Aba.
So yung sa number 6 naman, tingnan natin.
Sa letter 6.
Okay, ito. Kamusta yung recall dito? How was it?
Okay naman po kasi I remember the alphabet.
Okay.
Pero nung una po, natakot ako kasi I thought I forgot the alphabet. But turns out I was right po about my memory.
Or ano rin lang kasi, yung pwede mong gawin, sulat mo yung equation ng x minus alpha times x minus beta and expand. Kasi lahat naman yan comparison with that basic form eh.
Para hindi na kailangan.
Kaya hindi ko kinakabisado yan eh. Always start from x minus alpha times x minus beta is equal to 0. And then expand. Tapos, yung next step ay yung equation na binigay, yung 2x squared minus 4x plus 5, dinivide ko lang both sides by 2 by the coefficient of x squared. And then, madali na yung comparison.
Ano kasi yung tawag sa ganun, yung first term?
Okay, so
yung highest order po, ano po yung tawag ko sa yung polynomial na yung highest order term is coefficient 1.
Pagka x to the first lang, linear function.
Hindi po, yung ano po, when let's say po yung x squared is 1. Okay, yung highest order na term po has a coefficient of 1 only.
Okay. Wala akong alam na terminology for an quadratic expression na
yung x squared po is 1.
Coefficient x.
Sabi po. Lagged out.
Square ay 1.
Hello ba?
So, product is 5 halves. And then, hindi, nabasa ko lang. So, kailangan natin yung product, kailangan natin yung sum ng units. Okay, so, And then 5 over 2. Okay. So, okay na yan. Tingnan natin. Minus 13. Okay. I think yung ano lang dyan ay, kasi write it as a given, write it as a full sentence. When x equals, so the minimum value of y is negative 13, and it occurs when x equals 2.
When
Yun lang. Para clear. So the least value of y is negative 13, and it occurs when x equals 2.
wait. When
Negative 13 and the first.
Tingnan mo isa, no? Yung hence state the least value of y. So, doon ko pinattern yung sentence eh. The least value of y is, di ba? And the corresponding value of x is. Pwede kasing ganun na ano eh. Yung yung statement para full sentence. Kasi di ba, your conclusion should be a sentence. Least value of y is negative 13, and the corresponding value of x, tignan mo yung ano, yung problem statement, and its corresponding value of x is okay. Yung number 9, patingin. So, gusto natin find the range of values of k for which y equals 2x plus k will cut the curve. Okay, so gusto natin may solutions yung at two real and distinct points, no? So we want two solutions for the quadratic equation. Negative 2x squared plus 2 minus k. Iba yung, iba tinitingnan ko. Bakit yun yung lumabas? 2x squared plus k minus 2 plus 2 minus k. So, sige. Negative 2, 2 minus k, k minus 2. So, yung ano natin, yung A, patingin nung ano, hindi pa tapos. So, b squared is 2 minus k squared minus 4 times negative 2 times k minus 2. Tapos gusto natin positive, no? So, k squared plus 4k yeah, check ko lang yung simplification. Hindi ko simplify that way eh. Kasi, ang ginawa ko, tingnan mo yung equation mo, yung inequality. May common factor tayo ng k minus 2. 2 minus k square is k minus 2 square. So, finactor out ko yung k minus 2. So, yung nakuha ko, k minus 2 times k plus 6. Okay, so 6 times 2 is 12. 6k, okay, 4k. So, nagmamatch tayo. Ngayon, we want that to be positive. So, k is greater than 2 or k is less than negative 6. K minus 2. Wait. Gusto natin na positive yan, di ba? Gawa kang table of signs.
Table of signs.
So, kailan positive yung product? Okay, so yung shape niyan pataas, opening upwards.
Opening up.
So pag tingnan mo, k less than negative 6, okay, tama yan. Tapos k greater than 2. Para positive. Okay. Kasi, kaya ako nagpagawa kasi k greater than negative 2 eh. Yung sinulat mo. Tingnan mo yung last line. Hindi yan, yung before. Yung k greater than, tingnan mo yung yung baba, yan.
Bro.
Okay. So, let's look at tingnan natin yung number 9. So, b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0. So, k plus 3 square. Okay, negative 1, k 3. Sige. Yung number 10, yung sketch.
Dito.
Okay. Sige. Yung B1. Patingin naman.
Hindi na ba yung A2?
Hindi. Yung siya eh. Ang gagawin pagagawa ko yung mga pero gusto ko kasi na merong antal dito, may forgetting time. Kaya A, B, and then C, D, and then E. Okay, so plus 264x squared plus ... Tapos yung coefficient ng x squared is 604. Yung part ba na to, nagtagal ka na or hindi pa?
Hindi po po.
Hindi yan. Okay, yung number 2 naman, patingin.
Ito po.
Hindi ka ba gumagamit ng table function para i-evaluate yung coefficients?
Hindi po.
Kasi pwede mong, for this one, pwede yun eh. Tingnan mo yung tingnan mo yung pattern ng para for example, yung expansion ng 1 minus 2x raised to the 4, diba? Yun yung kailangan mo i-calculate yun eh. to yung first 4, di ba? So, and then, yung NC0, 3N, so teka, pakita ko sa yung yung 1 plus 3x to the n. Kasi, mas importante yung kaya mong gawin yan na mabilis. Dahil nagmumulto yan sa physics. So, let me share yung isang yung notepad ko. Teka. So, saan yung share? Okay. So, kung kailangan natin magkumuha ng binomial coefficients ng 1 plus 3x to the n. Ngayon, ang hinihingi up to, kasi gusto natin ay hanggang coefficient ng x squared, di ba? So, kailangan natin hanggang up to second order. Pero gusto kong pakita yung up to, paano kung higher order pa, like fourth order. So, ang pwedeng gawin dyan, 1 plus, yung first term will be n times 3x. Yung second term, n minus 1 over 2 factorial. Ito, over 1 factorial. Tapos, 3x square. So 1, 2, 3, third, so second term, third term. Yung fourth term will look like this. And then yung fourth term, usually maabot sa fourth term 3x to the fourth. And then you can simplify. Tapos ellipsis lang for the others. Kasi yung knowing how to write this, yung binomial coefficients in this form, is useful kasi kung ang n ay, if n is equal to 1/2, infinite series n, but the same rule, yung ganitong expansion will apply. Tapos syempre, pwede mo simplify ito. Kaya clear na pa paano gumawa ng expansion?
Hindi ba po ito yung n choose r?
Oo nga, yun nga yung it's better to write it. So n choose r is this.
So understood na pa pala po pag yung n choose 2 n minus 1 to factor actually.
Okay, kaya share ko lang yun Yeah. Anyway, advantage lang ng ganitong form. So this form works for integer powers of n only. This will work for this will also work kahit fractional powers. So mas yan mas advantageous for you na maalala na alam mo yung both. Okay. And the interesting thing about this is if you know how to get half factorials, it turns out or if you know how to get fractional factorials, it turns out na ito at ito, you can show na it will still be true kapag fraction yung n. May process para ma-relate yung dalawa. Pero kasi it's outside the scope of elementary calculus. Kung magamit ka ng complex variable, yung calculus on complex functions para ma-prove yung equality ng dalawang yan. Tapos ang statement ay limits pa. Hindi siya, kasi undefined siya kapag kapag negative. Yung negative factorials kasi undefined Okay, stop sharing na uli ako. Ngayon, patingin na uli ng nung continuation ng RE ng number 2. So okay, so expand. Tapos yeah, so may quadratic equation tayo for n. Yeah. Teka, bakit parang hindi yata nagmamatch yung ano natin yan? So number 2, 3 have so dapat 189 is equal to 9 n times n minus 1 over 2 minus 24n and then plus 24. Hindi. Tingnan mo yung sa ano. Balik ka dun sa tingnan mo yung equation ng yung unang binax mo just above. Yung n equals 10. Yung equation above n equals 10. Yan. Yung n 9 times n2 minus 24n plus 24 equals 189. Okay, so tama yan. So 9.
Alam ko na. Hindi ko po na-factor.
So 55 times 330. So 110, okay. Na 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Yeah. 24 minus 189. Yeah. 24 minus 189 equals negative 165. So divide by 3. Okay, negative 55. Okay, tama naman. 11. 44. Then 11. 11 times 2 times hindi tayo match. Bakit 8 minus Teka. 3 half n square minus 3n Nine, 10, 11. Pag 11 times 2, negative 22. Ha! Bakit ganon? Ba't negative 22? Okay, sige. So, iba yung pathway na dinaanan natin, kaya ganon. So, 3 n square, 11 times 2 times 3. Okay, so that's weird. So, dapat 11 times 2 times 3. Bakit? Bakit? Ano ko da? 3 and 2. Nag-agree tayo sa 9 and 2 minus 24n plus 24 equals the coefficient, which is 189. Yung simplification niyan, yung hindi tayo nag-agree. Ngayon,
wala naman pong mali.
Oo nga. Check natin yung sige. Yung equation ba pareho? So 2. So 3 halves. Tapos negative 11 and negative 55. Hindi lumalabas yung yung n equals 10. So mukhang may algebraic mistake going from 9n2 minus 24n plus 24 equals 189. Kasi tama naman yan eh. Nag-agree ako doon. Pero yung transition from there to your first equation, hindi, huwag ka teka. So 9, so 24n, 189 minus 24 minus 189. So negative 165. Tapos nag-divide by 3. So negative 55. Ngayon, so 3. 3 times 2 is 3n square minus n minus 3n. Bakit? Kaloko ah. Kaya pakita ko sa yung computation ko.
Ito pa yung mga naloloko po yung tao na 1 plus 1 equals 3.
Oo nga. Baka may mga ganun eh. Okay, ito yung pakita ko sa yung first page ko.
Facebook yan.
Ano ba? Nine. N times n minus 1 over 2. Tapos yung coefficient ng x square. Ngayon, tingin ko may nalaglag na 3. Hindi eh, parang hindi eh. 165 minus 8. Teka. So, divide by 3, so minus 8n. May 3n. Pwede patingin ng ano? Baka matrace natin kung ano nangyari. Yung solution mo. N minus 2. N times n minus 1 lang dapat yan. Yung binomial coefficient. Yun yung mali. N2 is correct. Pero yung in-express mo na siya in ano, tingnan mo, yung N2 sinulat mo as n minus 2 over 2. That should be n times n minus 1.
Na errors. Parang sa coding po, tapos bigla lang nakalimutan yung semicolon. RIP.
Ayun. Okay na. So yun yung ano. Kaya hindi nagmamatch kanina.
Try nga po natin. 3 minus 8. Ayun, 10.
Okay. Tingnan mo yung isang solution ay n equals negative 11 over 3, di ba? Actually, kung ang expansion natin ay included pati yung mga roots, that's actually a legitimate answer pag included na yung binomial expansion for non-integer powers. So, may meaning yan. Yung second solution na yan. Pero at this stage kasi, hindi pa dinefine kung ano yung binomial expansion ng fractions and negative powers.
Opo.
Okay. Kaya, pero yun yung dahilan bakit may extra root. Kasi meron talaga. Okay na yan. So, nakuha natin yung 10. Tapos yung next ay plug in naman dun sa coefficient ng x, which is 3n. times 1 minus 8 times 1. Teka, send ko yung second page para ma-compare mo. So, nire-read off ko siya mula dun sa equation 5. So sa equation 5 kasi, ano yung terms na nagko-contribute sa x to the first? So 1 times 3nx and mali ako sa may transcription error ako. 1 minus 8x dapat to.
Tama.
And then negative 8x times 1. So tama yan. Okay, nagawa mo na ba yung B3 or hindi pa? B1 number 3, I mean.
Nagawa, pero yung nasa paper po nagawa na po.
Sige. Hindi, pakita mo sa akin yung yung solution next time na lang. Yung 3 onwards. Tapos yung yung sa tingnan mo yung file na pinadala ko na yung chapter 3 new syllabus math 3. Yung importante dito yung basahin mo lang para may send lang kita ng key nito para magawa mo na. Hindi naman I think hindi siya mahirap. It's more of familiarizing lang yourself with this. Yung mga kasi yung Leslie Haldane Walker, yung chapter 1 niya, may mga similar problems dun sa intermediate level. So, yun yung so after you've done this, pwede mo nang simulan yung chapter 1 exercises ng Leslie Haldane Walker. Send ko yung key, tapos kung may difficulties with any specific thing dun sa may chem ka na, di ba? So dapat nag-scientific notation ka na, di ba?
Opo.
So ang nagke-carry over lang naman yung So for practice lang, gawin mo yung chapter 3 ng yung pinadala kong file na New Syllabus Mathematics na 3C New Syllabus Mathematics 3 for practice. And then I'm going to send the key.
Opo.
Okay. Nabigyan ba kita ng buong book na to?
Nung ano po?
Nung book 3? Nung New Syllabus Math? Kasi, based sa yung download link. Pero kasi naman to yung download link nasa live din. So, New Syllabus Mathematics. 3.
Ito po.
Kaya, sorry, tingnan ko. Yan. So, diyan ko lang siya kinuha. Nandyan yung key sa likod. Okay. Hindi ko na, ano lang naman yan eh. It's a short, it's just a short subsection. Kasi, once na-check mo lang, yung next na gagawin natin ay we'll start doing some kinematics problems from Resnick. May slight difference yung kinematics yung problems from the way they do it in math. So we'll be defining quantities the way it's done in physics. So that's where we'll start next time. Okay. Anyway, since it's 6:08 na, we'll stop here and then we'll continue on Sunday, sorry. Yeah. Yung book 4 niyan, meron din Tingnan, check mo na lang kung may mga topics dyan na hindi mo alam. Teka. Nasa ano ba? Nasa Google, sinave ko ba sa Google Drive yung book 4? Or may copy ka?
Yung book 4 po.
Tapos download mo sa computer mo kasi mabagal pag binubuksan mo from Google Drive, from Google Docs eh. Yan. So i-scan mo lang yung topics para makita mo yung just in case may mga hindi ka alam. Yung yung matrices, meron siyang material on alam mo yung matrice, yung meron kang different histories, tapos ang gagawin mo, anong probability na this branch will happen? May ganung material dyan sa book, either book 2, book 3, or book 4 eh. So check mo na lang. And then if you want to talk about specific things from there, we can, kasi useful din naman yan. Pero yung start natin to next meeting, so we'll start with physics first. Tapos yung math, yung continuation ng math, yung other half na. Kasi gusto kong masimulan na yung physics part eh. Okay, so we'll end here. I'll see you again on Sunday. Bye-bye.
Okay po. Bye-bye po. Thank you po.